Good to see you. Mostly, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Looking very well.
Doing very well.
Good to see you, Mr. President.
And our brother.
He sends his regards.
Good.
Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you.
We just received an envoy from the United Arab Emirates meeting with Mr. President. What do you want to tell us about this meeting?
This is, of course, a working visit, a strategic meeting, and this speaks to the very warm and cordial relationships that exists between the UAE and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Of course, Nigeria is keen to align with countries that have global influence, whose own aspirations also align with our own developmental agenda. The UAE has demonstrated great potential in mobilizing sovereign wealth, also in attracting global capital, and this very much aligns with our own developmental agenda.
So now we've had a lot on the table between the two countries from 2023 when the president came on board, and now what specific areas are we going into to expand this partnership?
Oh, we're going to be expanding in areas such as agriculture, in energy, in industrialization, in infrastructure. Of course, we have an impending joint commission with the UAE, and this is a veritable platform to drive our own partnerships with the UAE across all of these sectors.
Okay.
Thank you.